Did you know that Jeff Bezos started Amazon in his garage? And today, it's worth over $1.3 trillion. The craziest part? He began with nothing but a bold idea and a willingness to take risks. Stick with me because I'm breaking down the exact strategies Bezos used to build his empire and how you can apply them to crush it in 2025. Let's dive in. All right, let's talk about Bezos's millionaire mindset. Step 1. Think long-term, act daily. When Bezos launched Amazon in 1994, he wasn't just thinking about selling books online. No way. He envisioned a platform that could sell everything. It's what he calls customer obsession over competitive focus. Every decision he made aligned with this big picture goal. Here's the secret sauce. Bezos started with a niche. Books were the perfect entry point. They're easy to ship. There's a massive audience, and it built the foundation for his broader vision. Fast forward to 2025, and the takeaway here is clear. Start small, but think big. What's one niche you can dominate while keeping the bigger picture in mind? Drop a comment below and let me know. Now, watch out. Don't let perfectionism stop you. Bezos could have spent years refining his ideas, but instead, he launched fast, learned faster, and kept improving. If you're stuck waiting for the perfect plan, you're already losing. Imagine this. You're pushing a giant flywheel. At first, it's heavy, slow, and frustrating. But as you keep pushing, momentum builds, and suddenly it's spinning effortlessly. That's how Bezos scaled Amazon. He reinvested profits into better customer experiences, like faster shipping and lower prices. The happier the customers, the more they bought, which attracted more sellers, and boom, momentum. The 2025 hack: use AI to accelerate your own flywheel. Tools like ChatGPT and automation software can streamline repetitive tasks, letting you focus on growth. Here's an example. Set up an AI-driven chatbot to handle your customer inquiries. You'll save time, boost customer satisfaction, and create your own momentum machine. But here's the pitfall. Don't get distracted by shiny objects. Bezos focused relentlessly on value creation, not just chasing trends. In today's world, that means choosing tools and strategies that align with your core goals, not just hopping on every new tech bandwagon. Did you know Amazon has had its fair share of flops? Remember the Fire Phone? Yeah, it didn't exactly light the world on fire. But here's the thing. Bezos doesn't view failure as a setback. To him, it's a stepping stone to success. If you're not willing to fail, you'll never innovate, he says. In 2025, experimentation is easier than ever. You've got A/B testing, rapid prototyping, and real-time analytics at your fingertips. Take advantage. Test different approaches, track what works, and iterate quickly. But remember, not every experiment will work, and that's okay. The key is to keep trying. Avoid analysis paralysis. Bezos didn't wait for perfect data before taking action. Sometimes you've got to trust your gut, take the leap, and course correct along the way. Now, let's bring this into 2025. One of Bezos' most underrated principles is this: focus on inputs, not outputs. He said it himself. You can't control the stock price. What you can control is the customer experience. Translation: don't obsess over results like money or followers. Instead, focus on daily actions that drive those results. For example, instead of fixating on sales, concentrate on improving your product or building relationships with your audience. And here's a pro tip: use predictive analytics tools to forecast trends. Bezos built Amazon's success on anticipating customer needs before they even realized them. You can do the same by studying your market and staying ahead of the curve. Think, what will people want 6 months from now? And let's not forget, mindset is everything. Bezos once said, "It's always day one at Amazon." What does that mean? Approach every day like it's the first day of your journey, with curiosity, humility, and hunger. In 2025, staying adaptable is your superpower. The world's changing faster than ever, and the only way to thrive is to embrace it. All right, we've covered some killer strategies today: thinking long-term, mastering momentum, and experimenting fearlessly. So now it's your turn. Which of Bezos's principles will you start using today? Let me know in the comments below. I'm reading every single one. And hey, if you found this valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Next week, we're unpacking the secrets behind Oprah's billion-dollar brand. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until then, keep learning, keep earning, and I'll see you next time at theaimarketingschool.com. Remember, success isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Jeff Bezos didn't build Amazon by following the crowd. He took bold risks, stayed laser-focused, and played the long game. And guess what? You can too. So go out there, start your flywheel, and make it spin. I believe in you.